Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to connect Samsung Health to Strava. First, open the Samsung Health app on your phone and make sure you're signed into your Samsung account. From the main screen, tap the three dots in the top right corner. Now select Settings from the menu. Scroll down and tap Services. Here, find Strava in the list of available services. Turn on the toggle next to Strava to begin the connection process. You may be asked to sign in to your Strava account if you're not already logged in. Enter your Strava account credentials and follow the on-screen instructions to authorize the connection. Once the accounts are successfully linked, Samsung Health and Strava will begin sensing supported activity data. Strava will automatically send information such as route data, activity type, distance, duration, and calories to Samsung Health. If you have other fitness services connected to Strava, activities from those services may also appear in Samsung Health. Likewise, GPS-based activities recorded in Samsung Health, such as running, walking, hiking, or cycling, will automatically sync to Strava after they are uploaded. Keep in mind that activities without GPS data generally won't sync to Strava automatically. However, you can still share those activities manually from Samsung Health to create a post on Strava with an image showing your workout statistics. After the setup is complete, you can check both apps to confirm that your activities are syncing correctly between Samsung Health and Strava. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.